Alright friends, so welcome back to class with another edition of calculating perimeter of compound shapes. Right, we have some couple of questions on the board. Now let's get right into it. Now looking at this shape, it looks complex, right? Very complex. We are given a length here of 15 centimeters, 18 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 6 centimeters. This length is unknown to us. This length is also unknown to us, as well as this length and this length are both unknown to us. And we have here 6 centimeters. What do we do when we have questions like this? First of all, you look confused, right? But I'm going to break it down for you bit by bit, step by step. Now let's go. If this length here, which is the full length, is 15 centimeters, and we are given the length here of 7 centimeters, right? What does that mean? It simply means that we're going to take away these 7 centimeters from the full length of 15 centimeters. Now 15 centimeters minus 7 centimeters will give us what? 8 centimeters. But that's not all. Now we have inner length in this same shape. If the length of this side is the same with this side and this side, that simply means that what? Here will also be what? 8 centimeters, and this length will also be 8 centimeters. Voila! We're done with the first part of the question. Now let's move on to the second part of the question. Now, the horizontal aspects, we have 18 centimeters here. We have 6 centimeters here. Now what that simply means that if we add this length and this length together, that will give us a total of what? 24 centimeters for the full length, right? But we only have 6 centimeters and 2 centimeters, which is what? 8 centimeters. If we take away 8 centimeters from what? 24 centimeters, which is a full length, what would that give us? 16 centimeters, and that is the length of this side. Now let's do the calculation and see if we're going to get 24 centimeters. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 16 is what? 24 centimeters. And 18 plus 6 is also what? 24 centimeters. Now 7 plus 8 here for the full length equals what? 15 centimeters, and the whole length of this equals what? 15 centimeters. In calculating perimeter, you need to make sure that the vertical and the horizontal sides are balanced, are equal. Vertical and vertical, this side, these two vertical sides must be equal, which is 15 and 15, and then the horizontal side must also be what? Equal. Alright, which is also very important. Now we can find the perimeter of this shape, having gotten the value for the unknown length. Perimeter equals 18 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 16 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 6 centimeters and plus 15 centimeters. So we're going to add all of these lengths together to find the perimeter, and that equals what? 94 centimeters. Okay, so we're moving on to question 2. Now in question 2 we have similar problem with the first question, but in this case it's kind of simpler. Now the length of this side is 9.3 centimeters. That simply means that the length of this side will also be what? 9.3 centimeters. If the length here is 6.4 centimeters, that means this length here is also what? 6.4 centimeters. Now we are given the length for the horizontal side of this, which is 1, 2, 3, but we don't know the full length of this part of the compound shape, right? Now what do we do to get the full length of this side? That means we are going to add 5.1 centimeters to 5.2 centimeters to 3.66 centimeters. And what would that give us? 5.1 plus 5.2, that's 10.3. 10.3 plus 3.6, that's 13.9 centimeters. And now we've been able to figure out the length for each of the unknown sides. Then we can find the perimeter of the shape. Therefore, perimeter equals 13.9 centimeters plus 9.3 centimeters plus 3.6 centimeters plus 6.4 centimeters plus 5.2 centimeters plus 6.4 centimeters plus 5.1 centimeters and plus 9.3 centimeters. Now we're going to add all the length together to figure out what the answer is. The answer is 59.2 centimeters. Okay, I hope you understand how to solve questions that has to do with perimeter of compound shape. It's very simple. All you have to do is to ensure that the vertical is balanced with the vertical side and the horizontal is also balanced with the horizontal side of the shape. It's as simple as that. Okay, please leave a message in the comment section if you have any questions. Okay, please feel free to ask your questions. Don't be shy. Feel free to ask questions. All right, like the video, comment, share, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.